It's a beautiful day for an outdoor soiree in the sun. Welcome to episode 15 of the Zaring vlog. Awesome every day. Every day awesome. Run. Run. Give me a big hug. Seems like it's always easier to smile when the weather's nice. When the sun's out, the sky is blue. It's back, Rena. Spring is back. It's coming back. It's always easier to think positive for me. And I usually have these really, my best ideas. From spring until fall. It never fails. I guess I should stop letting winter get me down, but I just love nice weather, warm weather. I love the sunshine. It's great. Could have positive things and focus on that. And actually, speaking of positive things, follow and check out my buddy Warren from Motivation Nation. I'm gonna put the link in my description, and I'm gonna put it somewhere around here for you to click on. This channel's actually got me through some pretty bummed out days. His videos are nice and short, positive, get you motivated. Great guy. Definitely check that out. Stay back from the water. Okay. Don't want you to fall in. Find yourself a stick.
Yep.
Look at that flower.
I want to get it first. Me.
Nice flower. Ready to sing?
Yes.
Make it sound like da 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 da.
Da 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 da
Wild animal is attacking us. I call this a community dog. She belongs to someone, but she's always over here, just like the two other neighborhood dogs. She's awesome though. This is the most fun one. She loves to play. Harley, come here. Harley, come here. Come here, sweetie. Hi, baby. My goodness, you're cute. Look how cute you are.
Yes, you are.
I just acquired 2 more vintage cameras, so I had to build a bigger shelf. I didn't think I would be collecting this many.
Thanks for checking out episode 15 of the Zaring blog.
Keep creating and keep it awesome. Thanks for checking out episode 15 of the Zaring blog.
Wait, it's recording?
Yeah.
Make sure you edit this part out.
You'll knock it off when I come tickle you.
That'll make you laugh even more. Thanks for checking out. Edit that out. I guess I couldn't help from laughing.
Videos? Don't get all mad. And
Keep it awesome.
Now you gotta say and.
Is there a way you can turn it up?